Hello my beautiful chubbies, it's Ariana. I'm here again with a review. Today I'm going to review the Carli Bybel palette in collaboration with BH Cosmetics. I picked this up yesterday at Ulta. Previously it had only been sold online. I hadn't ordered it just because, you know, I don't like to spend money on shipping. So if you've thought about ordering this palette but were kind of hesitant, you can now pick it up at Ulta. It's $14.99. This is the front of the palette. And then this is the back. I was looking to see where it was made, and it looks like it's made in Germany. So when you open it, you're gonna notice you have a really nice size mirror, which is not really typical for a palette of this price, so that's nice. And then on the bottom here, you have 2 rows of shadows, 5 in each row. You have a mix of shimmer shadows and a few mattes, and then on the bottom you have a couple bronzers and a couple highlighters. I have heard a couple reviews on this product, but I haven't tried it out myself, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you and let you know what I think of the quality. So I'm going to start with the bottom row. I kind of dug into it, it's a little messy. So this cream color here is this one. It's a little bit streaky. This is this pink champagne one. This one's really nice. It's actually kind of like almost like a foiled effect. And then you have this matte, like a mid-tone brown. They're a little bit powdery. If you dig too much into it, you're gonna kick up a lot of products. So I wouldn't dig your brush into it that hard. I'm getting a little excited with these swatches. So now you're gonna see that there's a mauve here. This one is right here. That one actually doesn't have too much of a color payoff, and it's a little bit streaky. I'm a little bit disappointed, but I mean, for $14.99 you're not going to get Chanel. And this this looks like a really nice chocolatey burgundy. Let's swatch this one. Again, a little powdery, but it does actually have a good amount of pigment until you start rubbing it because it comes off. This is a little bit of a disaster. I think if you're into the shimmery shades, those are good, because I mean the matte ones are a little bit powdery. So let's go on to these shimmer shades up here that look a little bit more promising. This one here is kind of like a champagne with a little bit of white gold. Here, it's pretty nice. It's a little light. This one's more like of a true gold, like even like a little bit greenish. Those are nice. I think that this palette might be worth it just for the shimmer shadows. Then you have like a chocolate shimmer here. They have really nice color payoff, as you can see. And then you have like a bronze over here. Yeah, the shimmer shadows are definitely where it's at with this palette. So this is the last one. This chocolatey, it's a matte, so let's see how that. Yeah, so the mattes are not too good. This one has good color payoff. It's kind of satin, but it is a little bit powdery as like the first row. So these are the highlights. I'm going to go from the darkest. Maybe I should switch over. Let's try the darkest one first. This is like a bronzy color. That's really nice. You could use these as shadows too. I mean, I don't think I would put that as a bronzer. It's quite shimmering. And then this a lighter gold, really nice. They're kind of like creamy. And then this light one, really nice as well. They're not too powdery. And then the lightest one, it's like a frosty pink. That's really nice. I actually really like this top row. So that was my honest review. I'm not too into these matte shades. They're really powdery and they kind of rub off when you're blending. I imagine they wouldn't be too easy to work with. But the shimmer shadows are really good, and I think these bigger pans are actually awesome. And so if you're into shimmer shadows, I think this palette is worth it for $14.99. So if you're interested, you can go get this at Ulta for $14.99 and check it out yourself. Ulta has a great return policy, so if you don't like it, you can return it. So I'll see you next time with another review. Bye!